Hi there, Rehnstrom here, Shaper of Business Excellence. In this video I'm going to talk about 3 benefits of having one improvement model. In an earlier video I described the confusion you can have within your organization by not having an improvement model in your organization. And also the confusion that you can have by having several models. Having no model at all is like having no map driving out on the countryside. You don't know where you are, you don't know where you're going. Having several improvement models is like having several maps, different maps, and driving on that countryside. Confusion is the word there. So, what benefits could we have then by having one model that guides us through the improvement work within our organization? So the first benefit is to have a common language between all the stakeholders of the improvement project and to the business as whole, I imagine, because everyone wants the business to improve. But anyway, if we're looking at the stakeholders for the improvement project, with a model, you can show them where you are, where you're heading. They can then have a common understanding between themselves. What is going on in the project? What's going to happen? To have a model then is to have that good design map over where you are. You can then tell them what is going to happen. Here we are, where we're going to move, and the next thing that is going to happen is this and this. What's around the next corner, around the next hill, and so on. So that's the first thing. The second part is that a good model provides for better quality of the work that is done, the improvement that is done. A good model shows you what to do, when to do it, how to do it. It gives you templates. It gives you the map where you go from where you are to where you want to be and how to implement it and so on. So by having a model, your benefit is to have higher quality of the result that you do within your improvement work. So the whole initiative is based on one model, and that is then giving you higher quality because all the artifacts that you're working with, you have worked with those artifacts results before. You're just taking the same template and you do the same thing all over again. Like the processes that you're designing, you're using a model for designing the processes. The third part is that you will have a better engagement, a better confidence within the improvement team. Because if everyone knows where you're heading, everyone knows the model that you're working along, then they could work with you. As a business analyst, you have other business analysts maybe, you have people from within the organization working with you. All can share this common view of where you're heading. It's not just in your head with your understanding of what's going on. Everyone can share your enthusiasm about what is going on and what is happening. That means that they will be more engaged and they will have more confidence in themselves about what they're about to do. So, to sum it up then, the 3 benefits are first of all to have a common language between the stakeholders so everyone knows where you're heading, and if they understand where you're heading, a top-level manager for example, they will then give you more slack because they understand where you're going, they understand what you're doing. Second, you need to have, or you will have, better quality in your work because a good model will provide you with templates and all the what's and how and when to do different things, which will ensure that you will have a better quality of your improvement work. And third, by having all this, you will have a better engagement and better confidence within the improvement team because they will, together with you, understand where you're going, what they're going to do next, and so on, so they can feel confident in what they're doing. If you like to have more free material about how to set up an improvement model within your organization, how to work with an improvement model within your organization, you can go to the link that is shown here on this video and in the footer here, or by the same link down below in the description. Hope you find that of use, and let's go and shape our businesses to excellence.